Good morning, children. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gogunam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Joyce, your maths teacher. How are you, kids? Hope you all are fine and safe in your home. Hope you all have enjoyed the online classes. Are you practicing maths problems? Yes, children, you have to practice more problems. Okay, we have learned how to subtract a one-digit number from a two-digit number by crossing out and drawing lines in the previous class. Today, we are going to learn the subtraction using number line. We have already learned how to subtract numbers using number line. Let us learn how to subtract numbers up to 20 using number line. Are you ready, children? Okay, let's begin with an easy example. Here, our problem is 10 minus 4. Okay, children? Now using the number line, what do? We take the first number. Here, which is the first number? 10. Let's find it on a number line. Where is the number 10? Yes, here. Okay. When we use a number line, we jump backwards for subtraction. We make one jump for every count. Here, we are subtracting. If we are subtracting, we will go backwards. Here, which is our first number? Yes, 10. So, let's start from 10. Then which is the second number? Yes, 4. That is, we have to subtract 4 from 10. So, we need to move backwards. That is, we have to draw 4 jumps in the backward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, we reach at 6. The number you reach is the answer. So, we can say that 6 is the answer. That is 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. I told you when we use a number line, we jump backwards for subtraction. Let us solve the next example. That is 15 minus 4. How do you subtract these numbers on the number line? Let's listen. What is the first step? Yes, find the first number on the number line. Here, the first number is 15. So, tell me, children, where is 15 in number line? Yes, here. Then, the other number tells us how many jumps we need to make. Here, we need to make 4 jumps backwards. Start from 15, then we have to make 4 jumps in the backward direction. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. We reach at 11. So, we can say that 15 minus 4 is equal to 11. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us solve one more example. 16 minus 9. Tell me, children, what is the first step? Yes, find the first number on the number line. Here, the first number is 16. Let us find it on the number line. That is here. We can see 16. Then tell me, children, how many jumps we have to make? We have to make 9 jumps because we have to subtract 9 from 16. So, let us start from 16. We need to make 9 jumps in the backward direction. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We reach at 7. The number you reach is the answer. So, we can say that 7 is the answer. That is 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. See, children, you can count backward easily in a number line. Right, children? Yes. So, children, remember, when you use a number line, you jump backwards for subtraction. Okay? And you make one jump for every count. Okay, children? Okay.
Let us solve 2 more problems. The first one, 19 minus 5. Tell me, children, what is the first step? Yes, we have to find the first number on the number line. Which is the first number? Yes, 19. Here we can see the number 19. Then what is the next step? Yes, we need to draw jumps. Here the second number is 5. So we have to draw 5 jumps in the backward direction. That is, from 19 we will start. that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Finally, we reach at 14. That is, the number you reach is the answer. So we can say that 19 minus 5 is equal to 14. The next problem, 15 minus 3. Tell me children, from where will you start? Yes, we will start from 15 because our first number is 15. Then how many gems we have to make? Yes, 3 gems because we have to subtract 3 from 15. Let us draw the gems. We have to draw gems in the backward direction. That is 1, 2 and 3. We reach at 12. That is 15 minus 3 is equal to 12. I hope you have understood how to subtract numbers on the number line.
I hope you have understood today's class. Today we have learned how to subtract numbers using number line. Okay, children, go through the YouTube video which I have attached along with this video and write down the notes and do the exercise problems in your textbook. So practice and study well, children. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.